This is microcontroller based digital pH meter without magnetic stirrer, model number 09111. Connect the instrument to the mains through adapter. Switch on the instrument by pressing the power key. For self-calibration, connect pH connector of the patch cord to pH socket located at the right side of instrument and banana pin to the 7 pH located at back side of instrument. Press asymmetric key for calibration with 7 pH till the display blinks. Release the key. pH will display 7. Repeat the same procedure for calibration of 9.2 pH and 4 pH by pressing the slope. Always first calibrate with 7 pH. If one tries to calibrate first with 4 or 9.2 pH, display will show pH 7. It means start the procedure with 7 pH first. Press asymmetric key for 7 pH and slope key for 4 or 9.2 pH. If by mistake wrong key pressed, the display will show an error. Before calibration, adjust temperature. Note the temperature of room or solution by thermometer and select the same temperature by pressing temperature up or down keys. To read millivolt mode, press millivolt or pH key. LED will glow. This instrument can be used as a potentiometer with help of BNC to banana socket cord by switching over to millivolt mode. BNC connector to be connected to BNC socket and reference and platinum electrode to be connected to red and black banana socket respectively. Master reset. Switch off the instrument and press millivolt mode, millivolt or pH key and switch on the instrument. Hold the millivolt or pH key until the display flashes RST and release it. The instrument restarts. Accessories provided along with the instruments are adapter, battery cord, combined electrode, pH cord, BNC to banana socket, buffer tablet, stand, base rod and clamp. Note: during power failure, you can connect an external 12-volt battery with the help of battery cord in the place of adapter to carry out further experiment.